Bose just launched the second generation of its QuietComfort Ultra headphones, a $449 flagship designed to go head-to-head with Sony's WH-1000XM6. With promises of longer battery life, cinema-style spatial audio, and even lossless playback over USB-C, these cans might just set the standard for premium noise-canceling headphones in 2025. Let's break down what's new, what's improved, and whether they're worth your money. At first glance, the QuietComfort Ultra 2 look almost identical to the 2023 originals. But look closer, and there are some subtle refinements. The Bose logo is now inlaid instead of printed, giving the cups a cleaner finish. The aluminum yokes have a polished shine. Premium, but also fingerprint-hungry. The headband and cushions are still made with synthetic protein leather, and yes, the headphones remain lightweight at just 250 grams. Bose is shipping them in 4 colors: black, midnight violet, driftwood sand, and white. Midnight violet is the head turner, subtle but stylish. So if you like the comfort of the first-gen Ultras, expect the same lightweight feel, but with a slightly more upscale polish. Bose made its name on noise cancellation, and the QuietComfort Ultra 2 refined that tech with something called ActiveSense. That means better adaptation in noisy environments like airplanes, trains, or crowded cafes. They also improved on-head detection. Put them on, they automatically power up and connect. Take them off, and they drop into low-power standby. Like before, you get quiet mode for full isolation and aware mode when you need to stay tuned into your surroundings. This generation is all about making the headphones smarter, so they react seamlessly to how you actually use them. One of the flashiest new features is Cinema Mode. This isn't just marketing fluff. Cinema Mode combines spatial audio with dialogue optimization, so movies, podcasts, and audiobooks feel more immersive while keeping voices crisp and centered. Bose says they've also improved the bass response at higher volumes, something critics pointed out on the first gen. And here's a major win for audiophiles. The QuietComfort Ultra 2 support lossless audio via USB-C, while still keeping the trusty 3.5mm jack. That makes them one of the few premium pairs to offer true wired lossless listening in 2025. These headphones now ship with Bluetooth 5.4, which should mean more stable connections and lower latency for video calls and gaming. Battery life also gets a boost. You're now looking at 30 hours on a single charge, or 23 hours with immersive audio enabled. That's up from 24 and 18 hours respectively on the first gen. A 15-minute quick charge nets you 2.5 hours of playback, though a full charge still takes around 3 hours. Bose includes a USB-C to USB-C cable, a 3.5mm to 2.5mm audio cable, and a hard-carrying case right in the box. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2 land at $449 in the US. The exact same price as Sony's WH-1000XM6. That's a bold move because Sony is considered the reigning champ of wireless ANC headphones. So who's this for? If you value cinema-like spatial audio, seamless smart features, and lossless USB-C, Bose is clearly aiming at you. On the other hand, if you want maximum customization, EQ flexibility, or the widest codec support, Sony still has the edge. Still, at this price, Bose is signaling that the Ultra 2 aren't just about comfort. They're meant to compete at the very top. So, should you buy the Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2? If you already own the first-gen Ultra, this is more of an incremental update than a revolution. But if you're shopping for a new pair of premium ANC headphones right now, Bose has made a strong case with longer battery life, cinema-style spatial sound, and that unique Bose comfort. What do you think? Are these the new king of noise canceling, or are you sticking with Sony or Apple? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and deep dives into the latest tech.